We'll guide you through how to hide caption in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want more control over when captions appear in their videos. Sometimes captions are not needed in certain scenes, where creators want a cleaner look. To begin this tutorial, open CapCut on your computer. Click Create Project to open a new workspace. Then click Import to bring in your media file. Choose the video file you want to use from your computer, then click Open to import it into the project panel. After the video has been successfully imported, drag your video onto the timeline to create a sequence where you can start editing. Next, go to the text menu on the top panel and click Auto Captions to generate captions if you have not created them yet. Select the spoken language, for example English, so CapCut can accurately detect the audio in your video. Then click Generate and wait for the process to complete. Now the caption has been generated and will appear on the timeline. If needed, adjust the font type, size, color, and stroke according to your needs, for example similar to the video. You can customize the captions to make them more visually appealing and suitable for your video. To temporarily hide the caption, make sure all captions are selected on the timeline. Then click the eye icon or hide track icon on the text layer. This action will hide the captions from the preview screen without deleting them. Press space or click the play button to preview the result, and the captions will now be hidden from the preview screen. This method is useful if you want to turn captions on and off without removing them permanently. For the second method, if you only want to hide a specific sentence, right-click on that caption layer in the timeline. From the menu that appears, select Deactivate Clip. This will disable only the selected caption while keeping the others visible. The selected caption will now be hidden from the preview screen. Press space or click the play button again to preview the result. Check that the captions are hidden according to your needs and that the video still looks clean and well organized. If necessary, you can reactivate the caption or adjust other settings to improve the final result.